everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are still new to my channel, by the way, my name is Jet, J-E-T. You can call me Teacher Jet or Missjeathz. Yes, and before that, I would like to greet all the mothers out there who are doing their homeschooling with their kids. Hi, parents! And of course, to all our teachers who are doing their online classes and doing a lot of modules, well, a very big thumbs up for you.
Dude! Come on! Hello?
You have done so much for our nation. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to share to you this very effective, user-friendly teaching tool that you can use online, in the classroom, or even at home. So if you want to know more about this video content, as you can see in the description box, please continue watching. And of course, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the notification button, so the next time that I will upload a video, then you will be notified. So, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's start! So let me introduce to you, this is what we call the Baamboozle.com. So Baamboozle is a game-based learning platform that brings engagement and fun to millions of players, not only at school, at work, but even at home. Good thing about this one is signing up is free and no student account is needed. So if you are the parent, you are the teacher, then it's a very good thing to you to start with. Since it's an educational game, it can be a perfect warmer, concept checker, lesson review, you name it as you want. You know, guys, I have tried it myself, and I would like to tell you this is not a sponsored video. I just really want to share it to you because I know how fun and engaging it is, especially if you are doing it in the classroom. So I haven't tried it online, but I have tried it with my tutees in school.
Number 8. Number 8.
Now, how are we going to use the Baamboozle.com? Just continue watching because I will guide you on how to register and how to use this Baamboozle.com. Let's start with typing the Baamboozle.com. Just click on it. As you can see, you will be routed on www.baamboozle.com. Just click on it, and you will be routed to its website. Here we are. So let's check it out. If you need some help, then you could also check out their chat support. Now, as you can see, 0 preparation needed, no 2 games the same. You can use online or classroom play, and it's an effective teaching tool as well. Students can have their self-assessment, and of course, it's universally adored. So as you can see, guys, this is one of the best websites for teaching and learning recommended by American Association of School Librarians. So let's sign up for free now. Since I already have my account, so all you have to do, write your email, password, confirm your password. You can use any username So I have mine, which is the Missjeathz. It's up to you. What is your email, password? Then just confirm your password. And then go to sign in and sign in your account. And here we are. So I already made my first game, which is about the letter B sound. But of course, we will try to explore more about this. So if you need a games, like a ready-made games, minimal preparation, then you can just click the games and then search games. So let's try how's the weather? Or maybe we can look for fruits. Search for it. So there are many options. There are many games that you can choose from. So here, my lunch box. So let's try to do the play. You can use play, study, slideshow, but we will do this. You can choose themes 2, 3 to 4. And questions either 8, 16, and 24. You could also check the options if you want to use the timer. Partial credit, timer, turn it on, then set the timer. It's up to you if you want to use the pass button. Then color match points, no penalty. And use the classic questions and power-ups. Now, good thing about the power-ups is that it can give more fun to the games. So you will see it later. Now, you could also change the names. It depends on what the kids like. So let's have pretty and handsome. Okay, so let's try. They can choose a number. So let's start with number 6. What's the name of the fruit? So if they will be able to answer it right away, you can check it and set OK. Oh, this is one of the power-ups. So you can swap the points. So on and so forth. So just continue the game until you will reach the last number and you will have your winner. Our winner is the handsome. Yay! So this time, if you want to make your own game, then click My Games. So as you can see, I already have one game. So let's check it out. See, this is a sample game. Let's make a new one. Go back to My Games, click Make Game. So you can choose any title. So in my case, I will choose Body Organs. You can make its description, so I just wrote what organ do you see, and then choose file, an example file. Make game. then you can start making questions. What organ do you see? You can choose how many points, so I just leave it as it is, 15 points. So you got it. Then question number 2, so on and so forth. It's up to you how many questions are you going to make. It. So there are many things to explore in Baamboozle. My likes, my folders, and they have news. So let's check the unlock Baamboozle. So here you can choose free, and they also have the Baamboozle Plus. So what's included to that? But you have to pay $7.99 per month. So we're not here to pay for Baamboozle. We're here to use it for free. So that's it. 100% free. So that's it, guys. If you want to know more about Baamboozle, then just check out their website. For today, guys. I hope you've learned something new today. To all our parents, teachers, and even students, I hope this can be useful for you. So once again, this is Teacher Jet, Missjeathz. Have a good day, everyone. Rise and shine. Bye-bye. Take care.